In this video, I'm going to show you how to transfer money from funding to futures on Binance. So it's actually quite simple. First, you want to open up your Binance app over here, and then you want to tap on the assets, which is at the bottom right over here. And then you want to click on transfer, which is up here. So to the very right, just tap on transfer. Once you do that, in here, you'll see you're able to transfer. Now, first, you want to do from and then funding. Of course, this is going to be set. And over here where it says to, you want to make sure it doesn't say spot wallet, but you want to have it as futures. And to do this, you want to just tap on whatever it says over here. And then you want to select futures. So you can either select these or these over here. Now, I have inactive wallets from both futures over here, but if you have an active wallet for USD AM futures or Coin AM futures, you'll be able to, of course, select that. Now, once you select it, it should say over here from funding and then to futures. So one of your future accounts, and then you're good to go. So after that, you want to select your coin. So for example, USD, Tether US, and then you have to put on the amount. So just select the amount you would like to transfer. And then at the bottom, the yellow button, press on confirm transfer. And just like that, you've successfully done it. So I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.